Yeah. G'day, it's Chris-O again. We're laying a nice long straight row at the moment. So lean in, everyone. We're off for a spin. See how all my gear is with me all the time. I stay down, I'll say it again. Stay down, you will be surprised how you get through the meters. Whoop, 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 whoop. Always get that glue away from your edge. Like that, see that? I might not get all these in, so what you do, I showed you before. This is how you do it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Gently place it down. Give it a tap. Beautiful. Absolute beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful lines. Beautiful. That along a bit, push everything along. Keep my knife handy. I always keep my knife in my knee pads, so it's handy all the time. A pencil in the sock. And a knife in my knee pads. Then I'm not looking for anything when I need it. Good, mate. Bloody beauty.
It's a good system how to level them up, isn't it?
It is. It doesn't really level your floor, but it
Takes a step out of your tile, doesn't it?
yeah, the lip. Yep. Yep.